Have you ever felt your muscles getting weaker as you age? What if I told you that one simple vitamin could make a huge difference in keeping your strength? Many seniors realize that their muscles are slowly disappearing because of a missing nutrient in their diet. This vitamin is easy to get, but most people ignore it, and it can change the way your body feels every day. In this video, I will explain why this vitamin is so important, how it works, and how you can include it in your meals. Stay with me till the end, and I'll also share a simple tip that can help you protect your muscles naturally. The vitamin we are talking about is vitamin D. Most people think vitamin D is only for strong bones, but it is also key for your muscles. Without enough vitamin D, your muscles can become weak and tired. Seniors are especially at risk because as we age, our bodies make less of it naturally. Low levels of vitamin D can make simple tasks like climbing stairs, lifting objects, or even walking feel harder. Studies show that getting enough vitamin D can improve muscle strength and reduce the risk of falls. It acts like fuel for your muscles, helping them stay active and strong every day. Getting enough vitamin D is easier than you think. One of the best sources is sunlight. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day in the sun can help your body produce vitamin D naturally. You can also get it from foods like salmon, eggs, and fortified milk. For seniors who spend most of their time indoors, a vitamin D supplement can be very helpful. But remember, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any supplement. By adding these simple steps to your daily routine, you can keep your muscles strong and stay more active. Small changes today can make a big difference in your health tomorrow. Strong muscles do more than make you look fit. They keep you independent and full of energy. When your muscles are healthy, everyday tasks like standing up from a chair, carrying groceries, or even playing with grandchildren become easier. It also lowers the risk of falls and injuries, which is very important for seniors. Maintaining muscle strength can boost your confidence and give you a better quality of life. By focusing on this one vitamin and simple daily habits, you are not just protecting your muscles, you are protecting your freedom and independence as you age. Now imagine how much stronger and more energetic you could feel by simply adding this vitamin to your routine. It doesn't take big changes, just small, consistent steps. Step outside for a few minutes of sun, include a few vitamin D-rich foods in your meals, or take a supplement if needed. Every little step counts and adds up over time. Remember, it's never too late to start. Your muscles can still get stronger and your body can feel healthier. Take action today and give yourself the gift of strength, energy, and confidence for years to come. To sum up, vitamin D is essential for keeping your muscles strong as you age. It helps you stay active, reduces the risk of falls, and improves your overall quality of life. Don't wait until weakness sets in. Start including sunlight, vitamin D-rich foods, or supplements in your daily routine. Your muscles will thank you, and your body will feel stronger every day. If you want to learn more tips to stay healthy and strong, check the link in the description for our full guide. Take care of your muscles today and enjoy a healthier, more active tomorrow.